Okay, here is another option. With a cooktop in the island. This would be a pantry with roll-out shelves, keeping the double ovens here. Bank of 4 drawers. This is a trash pull-out. Sink, obviously. Dishwasher, refrigerator. If you wanted a microwave, we can put it in the island easy. What I didn't like about this design is we got this blank space here. But we still maintain the coffee area. Seating is not as social. But I suppose we could put a chair here and 3 of them here. So do the overhang on this side. Then, because of this blank space, we did another option. The only difference is I did some pub seating right here. This is a little more social. And it uses up this space a little better, but no coffee bar. If I put the coffee bar over here, it'd get a little skinny, I would say, against this wall. So maybe there's a fourth thought, but I have done this pub table before. And it allows you to do a longer island without a seam, really. I mean, there's a seam here, but this countertop here is higher than this countertop. This thought isn't 100% complete, but I think you get the idea.